Sir, what's your name?
Actually, my name is Nur Islam. My family, my neighbors, and my friends call me Nur Islam. If you feel free, you may call me Nur Islam.
Can you tell me about your hobby?
So I have so many hobby, and I like most to play. I have a favorite sports, and it's cricket, and I like to play cricket in my free time with my friends. And most of the time, I play cricket with my friends in my village field, and gives me pleasure, and I like it.
Okay. Do you also play cricket in the winter season?
No, sir, it's not perfect time or
For
good
winter.
weather for playing cricket in winter season, because if I play cricket in winter, I will be hamper myself.
Okay. So what do you play in winter? What do you play in winter?
So I play badminton, and it's helped me to keep energetic, and it feels when we play it, it helps me to feel warm. So that's why we play it in at night. So I like it to play with my friends.
Okay. Good. Is there any specific reason that you like cricket?
Yes, sir. Because cricket is the most famous sports in over the world, also our Asia. So I like it, and it helps me to keep fit and energetic, and it also develops our leadership, and also our body keep fit.
Which part you play in cricket? Like, what is your role in cricket?
I can bat, hit
Yeah.
ball, and I can throw fast ball.
Okay, very
And
nice. So
and
you're a
last,
pace bowler?
so yes, sir, I'm a fast bowler,
Okay.
and I like it, and I can throw very fast ball.
Okay, very nice. So how long you have been playing cricket?
I have been playing cricket from my childhood.
Good.
When I understood I am a good player from the time, and I'm also a good player from my childhood.
What is a famous thing to eat in your hometown in winter season?
Most famous thing to eat is baba pita is the most famous in our Chatpur, and
Okay.
I like it most to eat in winter season. And my family members, I I want to say my mother also make it, can make it, and we are enjoy to it.
Do you have friends in your hometown?
Yes, I have so many friends in my hometown, and we are always, when we meet, we are always gossiping with each other, and we love it. And they are very amiable with us, and we have a good relationship with them.
Okay, so in Chatpur, is the winter season has a lot of effect or like somewhat in Dhaka? Like what is the weather in winter? Is it very cold or not very cold?
So it's not so cold or not so normal.
Okay.
It's normal. So
Okay.
I can say it's not cold or hot.
Okay.
It's a similar level.
Okay, so
I can
you
say.
are currently facing winter in Dhaka, right?
Yes, sir.
So what do you think? The winter in Chatpur is colder than Dhaka?
Yes, Chatpur is colder than Dhaka. I want to say Dhaka is not a cold city, but right now it's very cold,
Yes.
and most of the time Chatpur is very cold in winter.
Okay.
So that's why I want to say Chatpur is cold than Dhaka.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Nur Islam. This is the end of your speaking test. You may go.
Thank you, sir.